Measuring our metabolism. Advertising has been strong when it comes to losing weight products and services. Through this medium, people are becoming more interested and captivated with the promises and the assurances these ads hold. In this modern world, everything that meets the eye is marketable, sad to say. We need not carried away with these commercials. Increasing your metabolism is the best means of doing so. You just need yourself, and a little help from outside factors. The first step is to measure your metabolism. How do we measure metabolism? A metabolic test comes in two ways. The first method is direct calorimetry. This method measures the energy expended in the form of heat. The other one is indirect calorimetry. It measures the amount of oxygen consumed over a period of time. Traditionally used in hospital and research facilities due to the cost of the machine and the need for trained technicians. What are the needed preparations for the test? The aim of the test is to gauge the RMR, or the resting metabolic rate of an individual. Therefore, he or she needs to avoid eating a meal 1.5 hours before the test, avoid exercising on the day of your test, and avoid the use of stimulants such as caffeine on the day of the test. What happens in the testing bed? You will relax in a seated position. The doctor will ask you to do this. A mask or mouthpiece would be used and you have to breathe in there for 10 to 15 minutes. A report after the test would be printed out by the machine. The most important part is that you discuss the results with the doctor in order to come up with the next steps for your diet plans. Would the test results be useful for good? No. You have to retest after some time. Your RMR and your total metabolism changes through time. Change in any element of your lifestyle would directly affect the result. For you to keep a track of your metabolic rate, seek help from a doctor. There is a need for one person to give value to his metabolism, because it will not just decide your size, but it will have an impact on your lifestyle and on your entire life. Like the video, comment, share, and subscribe.